Okay, so we're going to have a look at exercise 4, um, which is like a support blade. It's got support wheel with blades, and it's got this um, axe or brush coming out on one side. Okay, so this is what it should look like when it's complete. So if we open a new model, so new part, just make sure again that you're in millimeters. Sometimes it'll default to millimeters, but other times it won't. So just make sure you check. So we're going to sketch on the front plane. So sketch on front. Okay. And we're going to draw a circle in the center. That's going to be diameter 110. Okay. We're going to extrude that by 5 millimeters. So go to features, extrude 5. This doesn't matter at this stage what direction it's going in. Okay. Now we're going to have a look at the boss at the back, which is on this face. So we're going to go to sketch on this face and normal 2. Okay. And we're going to draw a circle here. So if we have a look at the drawing sheet, it's 30 mil diameter and it's 25 mil deep. So going to should pick up center point. It's not. So circle smart dimension of 30. Okay, and now we're going to go to features and extrude that by 25. So just check we're going in the right direction. 25. Okay. Then we're going to extrude, cut a hole through that of diameter 15. So we're going to draw on this face. So sketch on this face. So circle smart dimension 15. Okay, and then we're going to go to extrude cut. And we're going to pick through all. So it goes through both. Okay. So that's this portion done. So we now want to look at these fins features. Okay. So we're going to draw on this face. So go to sketch. Okay. So we're going to draw a solid line up from the center to here. Okay. And we're going to offset that by 2 millimeters to the left. Okay, so you can see we're going in this direction. Okay. So we're going to go to offset entities, select the line. Now, if it goes in the direction you don't want, you can pick the reverse button and click 2. Okay. I'm going to change that to 2.5. Then we are going to select the edge of this circle and we're going to convert entity. So convert entities and it makes it into a solid black line for us. And we're then going to offset that line inwards by 1.5 millimeters. So again, reverse direction, it's going the wrong way. 1.5, click OK. Okay, so we want to try and draw this. Okay, so we can see that 2.5 wide are at an angle of 18 degrees and the length going down in here is 24.8. So we're going to draw another line from here up to here, and then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across somewhere here. Okay. Then we're going to smart dimension that. So that angle is going to be 18. And this line is going to be, no, wrong one, smart dimension. So from here to here is going to be 24.8. Okay, so we've got a lot of lines there. We need to do a bit of trimming. Okay, so we're going to go to the trim entities and power trim. So we're going to come across and get rid of those two. Going to get rid of that one, get rid of that one, get rid of this one. Okay, and then there's a line up here at the top. So if we just click on that and delete it, okay, we should now be able to extrude this portion. Okay, so if we go to features extrude and we want to make that blind, and let's see. So we're going to make that extrude out 69. Okay. Okay, and we see that that has extruded out. Now we can do a circular pattern to create the other 5. Okay, they're equal spacing. So if we go to circular pattern, oh, wrong one, circular pattern, and if we select that as what we want to pattern, and we want to do it in this direction, and we now have the 6 of them. We now need to create this plate here. Okay, so it would be on this face, the bottom face of the one of the fins. So if I go to sketch and I select that face, okay, to draw onto, and I'm going to draw a circle from the center point right out to the edge. Okay, and then I'm going to extrude that. So go to features, extrude. So I want to extrude the other way, and I want it to be 2.5 millimeters. Okay, now you can see that there's a hole in this. Okay, so it's radius of 40, so it's a diameter of 8. So we need to draw a circle onto this face. So if we go to sketch, sketch on that face, normal to circle, smart dimension that at 80. Okay, and then I need to extrude cut. So if I go to features, extrude cut. And if I extrude cut going in the way, 2.5 mil, that should be it. Yeah, so we now have created our drawing.